I don't know what day we're up to. I feel like, no, wait. I think it's day 9 or something, but I know it's week 2.
Huh?
And today we are starting, and by we I mean not me, to water blast the outside of the hizzle. So, Sarah has already done this bit, and it's shiny and sparkly, but can we just take a quick moment to appreciate the colour of the deck? So, this is before, and this is after. Isn't that ridiculous?
Absolutely. Cool.
So we're gonna keep going along here, get all the crap off because it's just disgusting. There's granny armour, and Zach's gonna have a try. So let's see how it goes. Good morning. So another day of house renovations. Had a few weeks off since the last time I filmed. I can't exactly remember the last time I filmed. It was obviously the clip before. I think we just finished the water blasting and stuff outside. So that's all done now. And we have now started priming the office, which is quite... I love priming. I mean, who doesn't love priming? I mean, it gets rid of all the crap, let's say that. So we've already done 1 layer of priming. So today I'm off to the new house with Keith and we're gonna do the 2nd layer of priming. And then they're off to Bali on Tuesday. Very nice. Hope you have a great time. Lassies, thanks for the invite. And so when they're gone, hopefully I'll be able to paint the office, like the walls and stuff. So yeah. You might be wondering why I'll be rolling it with the world's tiniest roller, and that's because the other one dried out. I think that was my fault. Oh well, so gotta go get some petrol and then I'm just rambling. What's new? Okay, let's go paint this room. So the office is officially primed. Ceiling's done, walls are done, doors are done. The only thing left is the cupboard. I did the first coat the other day, but I've noticed the first coating of primer always looks like absolute shit. Thought it got polish on my nails there, my god. Why's that sticky? Yeah, so this is what 1 coat of primer looks like. Doesn't that just look beautiful? Oh my god. Okay, so that needs a lot of work. But I'm gonna have a 2-minute break. But then the walls look so much better. So primer's on, and I can start painting hopefully sometime. How do I get paint on my face when I'm literally painting the walls? Oh well. Time for a break, and then let's do the cupboard. Why is my battery flashing red? Oh, bye. Good morning. The petals have gone to Bali, so I am going all by myself to the new house, and the plan is today to paint the office walls. Wish me luck, bye! So I just made it to the house, and this has fallen over, which is terrific. My high smile was left out in the rain. Painting better be better than this. Okay, so what I was gonna say was, I was going to paint the office, but there's about 5 tubs of paint here, and I think I know which one the paint is, but I just don't want to paint the office the wrong color because like that would be awkward. So I'm gonna, but because the petals are in Bali, they're like 5 hours behind us, so they're still asleep. So I think I'm gonna prime the hallway, and then hopefully by the time I've done that, they would have woken up, and then I'll find out which color I need for the office. We're gonna prime all this ugliness and make it pretty, so that when I can find the paint, I can paint it. And then if I could get the hall primed today, and maybe the office painted at least once, that would be a big job done. We're gonna prime the hallway, and then hopefully the petals would have woken up. And the paint that I thought was the paint was in fact the paint. So now, had a 20-minute, well not even 20, I feel like a 10-minute break. I'm going to paint the office. Let's do it. Hey, Alex is in a good mood. We must strike while the iron's hot.
Stop filming me.
Get up. Get up.
I'm getting up.
No, you're not.
I am.
No, you're not. Welcome back. It is day 2 of no petals because they're still in Bali. I am heading over with mother and brother today, so that's going to be interesting. I'm just waiting for them to hurry up because they're so freaking slow. And yes, the plan is to prime the hall for the second time, paint the office for the second time, and then we'll see how we feel. So we're currently just having a break. All good? All good? And we found something very exciting out today. Alex got his first job! Yay! We've finished the office and we're finishing the priming in the hall, but we're currently at a standstill because we need some more flavor. Yes. Just had some fish and chops. So we got some more primer and I've just come home. It's been a long day. Alex. Alex. Dun 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 dun. Alright, turn it off.
But you did not cut me off! And act like it never happened and then we were nothing. I don't need that though.
You treat me like a stranger and I feel so rough. I apologize that I look like trash. But we're now going in the granny flat and we're going to start priming. But oh my god, I've shown you before, but I'll show you again. It's disgusting. Look how gross. Alex, prime the wall and show us the difference. Well, that was shit. Get some primer on, man.
Look at that, Tom.
Oh, like look at this. What? What, wide open?
Yeah.
This is like a Christmas miracle.
Look, come here.
Both of my kids are getting on in a civilized manner.
God, not to me. Alex, no. No! Right, come over here and look at this.
Well, you can put that on YouTube, can't you? Your big foul mouth.
Look at that difference. So day 3 of painting with Fugly, and we've come back. The blue is definitely seeping through the primer, so we're here to do layer 2 in the bedrooms, and that means the granny flat is primed. Another big job. Let's go. So we're back in the hall, and we're painting. Woo! Cool, so I've painted the hallway and now I'm back in the granny flat. I'm gonna start painting the bedrooms. Let's do this! Okay, I have finished painting the first room. I'll quickly show you. So just a reference, this is before, and this is after. Oh, so satisfying. When the petals get back, I'll let Keith do the cutting in. Because I shake like a shaker if I've got to do that. But first coat is down and I'll hopefully be able to get the second coat done in the next couple of days. That would be good. So now I'm just going to leave this wall here because there's like a big archway going to be cut in here and then it's going to be one big room. So now it's into this beautiful room and I'm going to paint these walls. Let's do it! And the second room has been painted. Yes! Ah, so much nicer than that fuggly muggly blue. So I think I'm gonna go pick Alex up now because he's at his first day at his new job at New World. And then I don't know if I'm gonna have time to paint the rooms again today or if I'll come back and do them tomorrow. We'll see. Petals get back tomorrow, so they bloody better be proud of my hard work or I'm gonna be gutted. Nah, just kidding. So the next room that will need painting is the lounge. So let's go. So I'm back at the hizzle by myself. Hall is looking good, so I'll do a second layer of paint on that today, and then I'll do the second layer in the granny flat. And then it depends how much time I have. I might even try and start painting the lounge and the granny flat, but we'll see. So it's time to get the sexy pajamas on. I didn't film much when I was in the granny flat, mainly because I think there's something in there and it's like biting me and it's not nice in the ground. It's really gross and disgusting. I just don't really want to put my camera down in there until it's been like totally sterilized. But the hallway's painted, both of the bedrooms in the granny flat have been painted, and because I was feeling extra good, I also painted the lounge. So Petals will be home today at last. But Veronica doesn't know that her granny flat has been primed and painted, and basically me and Alex, the angel sent from heaven. So we'll show her the granny flat tomorrow, and that's when I'll show you how the rooms look. So the bedrooms have been done twice, the lounge has now been done once, so I'll have to do it again sometime. But not right now because I want to go home. I'm tired. I'm freaking exhausted. So yeah, and then hopefully we'll get her reaction on camera. So see you tomorrow. Bye!